Picture this. You're standing at a crossroads. One path leads to the same daily grind you've always known. The other, it leads to financial freedom. The truth is, every millionaire you admire today once stood exactly where you are, at zero. I'm not here to sell you a fantasy or promise overnight riches. Instead, I'm going to share the raw, unfiltered truth about building wealth from nothing. Whether you're a fresh high school graduate with big dreams, a college dropout with an entrepreneurial spirit, or someone who never had the chance at higher education, this is your wake-up call. You see, society has fed us a dangerous lie that your background determines your future. That without the right degree, the right connections, or the right starting capital, you're destined to remain stuck. But here's what they don't want you to know. Some of the world's most successful people started with nothing but determination and street smarts. In the next few minutes, I'll break down the exact blueprint that has created more first-generation millionaires than any Ivy League education. You'll discover why your current situation might be your most significant advantage, even being flatly broke. Because when you have nothing to lose, you have everything to gain. We'll explore fundamental strategies that work in today's digital age, proven methods that don't require a trust fund or a fancy degree, and mindset shifts that separate dreamers from achievers. This isn't about getting rich quick, it's about getting rich right. So if you're tired of watching others succeed while you struggle to get ahead, lean in close. The next few minutes could change the trajectory of your entire life. Welcome to Trailblazers Mindset, where wealth builders come to get inspired. Before we proceed, I strongly encourage you not to miss number 4 to 7, because while the first 3 strategies will set you up for success, it's strategies 4 through 7 that turn that success into lasting generational wealth. With that said, now let's dive in. Number 1, invest in yourself through personal branding. Building a personal brand can unlock doors to multiple streams of income. Social media platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram offer creators tremendous earning potential. Here's how to start. 1. Choose a niche you're passionate about, e.g. fitness, travel, personal finance. 2. Create consistent, high-quality content. 3. Engage with your audience and grow your following. Monetization opportunities include sponsorships, affiliate marketing, online courses, and merchandise sales. You don't need expensive equipment to begin. A smartphone and free editing software can get you started. Number 2. Leveraging natural passion and skill. Individuals can tap into their passions and skills by creating their own businesses, turning them into profitable ventures. This entrepreneurial spirit encourages viewers to identify market gaps and consider how they can meet unmet needs in their communities. Entrepreneurship can lead to significant wealth creation and financial independence. Individuals can unlock new opportunities and achieve tremendous financial success by developing their businesses, leading to a more secure and fulfilling future. For instance, you can start a service-based business. In most cases, they require minimal startup costs and rely heavily on sweat equity. Think about skills or services that people are always in need of, such as 1. Cleaning services. Residential or commercial cleaning can quickly turn into a lucrative business with a few steady clients. 2. Handyman or repair services. This field has high demand if you're good with tools or fixing things. 3. Freelance services. You can start writing, graphic design, video editing, or social media management with just a laptop and an internet connection. To get started, market yourself locally or on platforms like TaskRabbit, Fiverr, or Upwork. As you build a reputation, expand your offerings, hire a team, and scale up your operations. Some of the most successful millionaires started by offering basic services before growing into business tycoons. Number 3, leverage e-commerce and drop shipping. The e-commerce boom shows no signs of slowing down. Platforms like Shopify and Amazon have made it easier than ever to start an online store. Drop shipping, in particular, allows you to sell products without holding inventory. Steps to success include 1. Research trending products using tools like Google Trends or Jungle Scout. 2. Set up a user-friendly website. 3. Market your products using social media ads or influencer partnerships. While competition is fierce, consistent effort, creativity, and data-driven decisions can lead to significant profits. Many individuals have scaled simple e-commerce stores into million-dollar businesses. Earlier, I mentioned that the secret to turning the success of steps 1 to 3 into lasting generational wealth lies in strategies 4 through 7. But before we dive in, take a moment to like and subscribe if you found this video helpful. It really makes a difference and helps us bring you more great content. Now let's jump right in. Number 4, prioritize an investment budget. Anyone looking to achieve financial growth and stability must prioritize an investment budget. To better understand this concept, we can categorize people into 3 distinct types, often referred to as the 3 big W's: wasters, warriors, and winners. I don't know who coined the 3 W's, but it provides a good scenario to explain this strategy. The first W represents wasters. They tend to spend their money impulsively, often living paycheck to paycheck without thinking about the future. The second W represents warriors. This group, on the other hand, is more cautious. They save diligently, but may still hesitate to invest, fearing the risks involved. In contrast, the last W represents winners. Winners view money as a powerful tool for investment rather than mere spending. They understand that every dollar can work for them, generating long-term wealth through strategic investments. Winners prioritize their investment budgets, recognizing that allocating funds toward assets such as stocks, real estate, or business ventures, they believe that assets can lead to significant financial returns. This mindset shifts the focus from short-term gratification to long-term wealth accumulation. By treating investing as a priority, winners create opportunities for themselves that can lead to financial independence and security. By prioritizing an investment budget, you can transform your relationship with money and pave the way for lasting financial success. Remember, the earlier you start investing, the greater the potential for growth over time. Number 5, establish an investment account. Anyone looking to build wealth and secure their financial future should have an investment account. One key benefit of investing early is the potential for long-term gains through the power of compound interest. The earlier you begin investing, the more time your money has to grow, allowing you to take advantage of market fluctuations and maximize your returns over the years. This proactive approach can significantly enhance your financial stability and help you achieve your long-term goals. Several investment platforms are easily accessible by anyone, and most are highly user-friendly. They are usually loaded with a wealth of resources, empowering individuals to take control of their financial journeys. They provide a seamless way to open investment accounts, manage portfolios, and stay informed about market trends, making investing accessible to everyone, regardless of their experience level. Number 6, diversify investment across stocks and ETFs. Diversifying your investments across stocks and exchange-traded funds, ETFs, is crucial for mitigating risk and enhancing potential returns. By spreading your investments across various sectors and asset classes, you can protect your portfolio from market volatility and capitalize on different growth opportunities. This strategy not only helps you achieve a balanced portfolio, but also positions you for long-term success. Number 7, spend wisely and reinvesting earnings. Spending wisely and reinvesting earnings are crucial components of achieving long-term financial success. A common misconception is that a higher income should automatically lead to higher spending. Many individuals fall into the trap of increasing their lifestyle expenses as their earnings grow, which can hinder their ability to build wealth. Instead, adopting a mindset that prioritizes financial discipline and strategic spending is essential. One effective approach is to focus on living off investment yields rather than dipping into the principal amount. By reinvesting earnings, individuals can allow their investments to grow over time, creating a sustainable income stream that can support their lifestyle without eroding their capital. This strategy preserves wealth and enhances the potential for future financial growth. In this way, investors consider their earnings as seeds for future growth. Just as a gardener nurtures seeds to cultivate a flourishing garden, individuals should view their income as an opportunity to invest in their financial future. By allocating a portion of their earnings toward investments, they can create a cycle of growth that compounds over time. In conclusion, let me leave you with this powerful truth. Your current circumstances are not your final destination. Every self-made millionaire I've interviewed, mentored, or studied started somewhere, many with far less than you have right now. Remember, wealth isn't built overnight. It is built every night you stay up planning, every morning you wake up hustling, and every day you choose progress over perfection. The strategies I've shared today aren't just theory. They're battle-tested blueprints that have created thousands of first-generation millionaires. Your journey starts now, not next month, not when you have more money, not when you feel more ready. Because here's what most people won't tell you. The perfect moment you're waiting for doesn't exist. The only moment that matters is this one. Take that first step, start that side hustle, launch that online store, create that content, build that skill. The path to wealth is already mapped out. You just need to start walking it. So let me ask you, a year from now, will you be telling your success story or still watching others tell theirs? The choice is yours. The time is now. Your millionaire journey begins today. In the comments, please share your thoughts about these strategies or provide other strategies we may have missed. Finally, if this video has blessed you in any way, please like, subscribe, and share it with anyone serious about building generational wealth. We'll see you back here next time, Trailblazers. Until then, take care and thank you.